To produce modern tech house you will need only one bass sound and a groovy bassline pattern. I already loaded an instance of Sistema, also added some processing, saturation, and auto compression. Let's try Sistema to generate us some punchy 808 sound, and let's try it in our mix. I like this one. Let's add some processing to it. This one is so hard. Let's check it in the mix. You can generate new sounds and idea on the fly. Super fun and easy. Visit our website and download your copy of Sistema.